Today, me and my son's on another adventure. We're heading up to Fauquier County on a permission. I had to stop by the gas station here to refuel my coffee. So hopefully we're able to save some history out here today. If not, don't forget, it's not about finding all the treasure. It's about the experiences along the way. Alright guys, we're going to get off of here, and I'll get you out once we get set up and ready to go. Hey everyone. Well, we finally made it here. We've been digging for like a couple hours. We've been busy digging, so I didn't really start like an intro to this video until now. We started back up there on top of a ridge line where we've done some research on. Found just a few odds and ends and stuff, and a couple relics up there. And then we moved down here, and my son just found a Civil War relic. He's super excited. It's his first one, so I think I'm more excited than he is because he found it. Yeah, so we're in Fauquier County, and we moved down here into a little bottom area where we were thinking maybe that they could be camping or next to a railroad. So we're going to be here just for a little while and see what else we can get, and we will bring you out if we get some good signals. Hey everyone, I'm back. Well, here it is, my horseshoe. Found one earlier, but this one here is rung up high on the detector, so I went on and dug it. Hey everyone, next signal was a 67, and it's some kind of a bullet. It's going to be post-Civil War. Got a bunch of white powder in there, so it might be a muzzleloader bullet. Good signal though. I believe that's post-war. Alright guys, on to the next. Hey everyone, we're back. We didn't move down from the one area we was at earlier this morning. So we moved down to this one area, and as you can see, we're up here by some tracks down here, and my son called me over. He hit a 67 on his TECHNETICS T2, and look, three ringer, 3-ring mini ball. What a find! His first one. All right, so we're going to hit this area right here pretty hard. We knew that the soldiers would be down here somewhere next to these railroads and stuff, and we've been hitting it hard this morning. So horseshoes and a couple odds and ends, but I don't see any rifling marks on here, so it looks like a dropped one to me. So usually where there's one drop, there's more. So we'll get you back it up if we find something else. Hey everyone, we're back. Well, I hit a 66 with the AT Pro. I mean, it wouldn't get off 66, so I mean, I thought I had another Civil War bullet out here, but it's lead. But it looks modern to me. Post-Civil War. Like a slug. It looked like some sort of a slug, I think. I don't know, my son's over here, he found something, so I'm going to go over and take a look and see what he found. Oh, the sick. Ah. Yeah, that's an oldie there, I think. Hold on to my... Don't laugh at it. It's not sieve. Do a little pants clean in here. Yeah. It's a casing. No? Yeah, it's got to be. It's either that or a big percussion cap, but that's too big. And that's a casing to something. Cool find. Where's mine at? Oh yeah, you throw it back down the leaves. Alright guys, we got about 5 or 6, 7, 8 minutes left, and we'll see what we can do in that time. Get you back out and find something else. Hey everyone, we're back. Well, my son finally got cursed with the good old horseshoe. Turn it up so the luck won't fall out. There you go. Alright. You taking it home with you? I have to? I have to take that home. You taking the bullet home? Yeah, I figured that. Alright guys, we'll keep on digging for about 15, 20 more minutes, and then we'll show you what we found. Alright everyone, we're back. Head over here real quick. Spoon City got another find. Let me see what it is. Huh. Oh. More pants cleaning. Come on, focus. It's something. I don't know what it is. Anybody's got any ideas, just leave it in the comments. Alright guys, a few minutes left. Hey everyone, we're back. Well, my son pulled the lustrous horseshoe. About 6 inches in the ground. Not hitting a whole lot of targets in this particular spot we started on, but we'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll move on. Alright guys, we'll get you back out and find something else. Hey everyone, we're back. We're still down in the same area. I'm digging anything now since he found that bullet. I've inspected it, and it does not look fired, but that's the only bullet that we have found so far, and it's just unusual to me because usually when I find a bullet there's more, especially if they're dropped. But anyway, I hit a 44, 45, and looks like to me it's either an old pocket knife or like a straight razor kind of a deal thing, because there's the blade right there. Looks like some of it's broke off, but I don't know, that's old. That's a cool find. To clean it up tonight and see what it looks like. Alright guys, we're still going at it, and we'll get you out on the next find. Hey everyone, well, we're at the end of our hunt. We are headed to the truck. Oh, I am tired. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Congratulations to my son on his first Civil War bullet. Cool find. Must have been fired evidently because there was nothing else. No more bullets back there. So. Alright guys, he's way in front of me. He's booking it. I gotta make it to my son's soccer practice, so I will catch you on the next adventure.